We have a chance. We stand next to each other. And if we stand next to each other as brothers, and then we can stand next to each other in countries, we would share this planet. We would not fight for it. We'd share this great planet. And when your brother falls over because of trauma that got him from the past, we need to have that level of compassion and understanding that we lean in. He's in the trenches. His shadow's far bigger than him. And in his most ugliest, vulnerable time, you lean in and you hold a mirror for him to look at himself so he can rise to his occasion. You don't look at him and shame him and blame him and make him wrong. If he falls over, help him up and tell him what's possible. We live in a world that is so judgmental. There's a cruelty that we do. We enjoy the judgment at someone. We love making them wrong, so we feel superior. And it's a mean, nasty, sadistic trait. It's cruel. Families do it to each other. You start with your own tribe. When a brother falls over, I lean into the trenches and I tell him I'm here and I put my hand out for him. The dark masculine will take advantage of the brother when he's down. Take his wallet, his possessions, and run off like a rogue. But a great man would lean in and be with him till he gets to his feet. We have a chance if we support each other as brothers. And if this is Mother Earth, then we've come from the womb of Mother Earth. All this that makes us all family. Spiritually, we are soul brothers. We're tribe. So you men, as great kings, have you gone home and sat at the kitchen table and looked at your grandchild, your daughter or son, your partner, your brother, your sister, your mother or father, and said, if I was to love you more, what would that look like? What would that sound like? What would that feel like? And you start the journey on how you would love them. Always love them their way, not what you think. You need to love them their way. Find out their code of how they want to be loved. And then love them that. But you doing it your way can miss them. So I dare every one of you to go home and start that journey. If I was to love you more, and if you got a little person in the house, if Daddy was to love you more, what would that look, feel, or sound like? And they may say 3 or 4 words, and that may be plenty for now. And again and again. It's a practice. But a king will start even with your parents. even with your parents. The child in you would want your parents to start first. The noble king in you needs to start first. If you're a leader, lead. Do it in your own house, your own tribe, your own environment first. Be that man. Bring love into your family. I dare you to. Drop all your judgment. Drop everything that makes it wrong. And understand they're doing the best they can with what they know. With the traumas, the wounds, the agony, the suffering they've gone through. That's formed who they are. We need to find the compassion. Do no harm, but take no shit. Still need boundaries. He's got some homework to do when they go home. You start at home first.
If you want to be initiated into your identity, call us.